feeling alive. Sunshine in my eyes will fly. Dancing on the sand, waves crash at our feet. Heat on our skin, summer's beat. Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's rhythm, we never tire. Running through the fields, chasing the sun, singing our hearts out, having fun. Jumping in the pool, laughter all around. Flames of passion, our hearts are down, our hearts are down. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's rhythm, we never tire.
So we're going to begin. Welcome everyone to Podcast 3 Serie. So I am John Allen Andre Patacudo, your host for today. So before we dive into this wonderful conversation with this wonderful guest, let me introduce to you this incredible guest. So they're going to discuss about gender biases, stereotypes, and all. So let's start.
So, hello everyone, I'm Crystal Jean Lorin.
And I'm Rididor Parian.
Migo Iblan.
I am Ijimay Bermido. I'm Shania Torres. Hi, I'm Catherine Daniel de la Cruz.
Jessica Oceano Garlando.
Hi guys, Nicole Badong.
Kari Carbonell.
So it's all nice to meet you all, and thank you for accepting my invitation to attend the Podcast 3 Serie. So it is parang special episode for me having you guys. Okay?
Yes.
So, kamusta naman kayo? Everyone?
I'm really excited about this podcast actually.
Yes, me too.
So, I think mas magiging makapuluhan itong conversation natin since you are all interested with our topic. Yeah? So, alright, let's begin by addressing the elephant in the room. So, ito yung first question natin. So, yung segment ng 1 natin is breaking stereotypes. So, here's the question. So, why do people still think certain jobs are meant for men and others for women?
For me, is a traditional gender role. Kasi, halimbawa, yung nursing is karamihan sa kanila, yung mga babae. Same thing rin dun sa engineering. Karamihan din sa kanila, yung mga lalaki. But in reality, yung skills and passion ay mas nagmamatter than gender.
Exactly. And this mindset starts early. So, ang mga lalaki ini-encourage na maging engineers and problem solvers. And ang mga babae naman is expected to be a caregivers. And these ideas shape career choices later on.
But times is changing. Kasi nowadays, marami ng mga piloto na babae, mga lalaking nurse and also teacher na lalaki din, and may mga babae na nagtatrabaho in technology. So the world is evolving.
Yes, that's a great point. So, parang it's amazing how careers are becoming more inclusive dun sa sinabi mo. But still, sabi nga na before pa lang, they are shaping boy and girl, men or woman na because you are men, ito dapat yung gawin mo, and ito dapat yung magiging trabaho mo, ito dapat yung role mo, and same with the women. But yun yung yung stereotype, gender stereotype talaga. Parang yun yung mindset or yun yung parang nasa normal na sa society. But ito yung nakakalungkot. It saddened me that some people still hold on to these outdated beliefs. So, kayo dyan, why do you think this is still happening despite all the progress? Bakit kaya? So you can answer it to yourself or you can comment it. Okay, so let's talk about how different industries are shifting towards inclusivity. So what are some real world examples?
So, katulad ng STEM, most of the women po, ini-encourage nila na i-take up science and engineering, and maraming companies din ang nag-hire ng iba't ibang gender.
Even in caregiving, meron na tayong mga lalaki. May lalaki ng nurses, may lalaki ng teachers, and may lalaki na rin nasa social workers. It's not just about breaking barriers, but also about recognizing talent regardless of gender.
And meron din mga campaigns na nagpo-promote ng diversity. Companies are realizing that gender equality is hindi lang siya fairness. It actually improves creativity and performance in the workplace.
So that is parang nangyayari na in these days. So actually I testify sa mga sinabi niyo, and that's so true. So I love how workplaces are starting to focus more on talents and skills rather than gender. So hindi na siya about being biased on gender, but kina-qualify nila yung depending on sa skills or kakayahan ng isang tao para ma-fit ka sa trabaho gusto mo talaga. So, but do you think itong mga pagbabago na ito are happening fast enough? Nangyari na siya agad? Or they're still lagging behind in some industry? Or some industry, mas naniniwala pa rin sila sa genders? So, you can also comment that. You can comment your answer there.
Hear the call. Sunrise energy, we got it all. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky.
So we're going to push to the third segment, which is the public perception and social expectation. So ito na yun. So despite the progress na pinag-usapan natin kanina, so we still hear comments like, this job is for men and this job is for women. Parang dapat doon lang mag-revolve yung job. So isa sa inyo, have any of you experienced or witnessed something like this?
Actually, yes, I have. So, my pinsan or my cousin, he once shared na gusto niya maging flight attendant. So, somebody told him na yung flight attendant daw is only for girls. So, but hindi siya nakinig doon. So, he still pursue his dreams na maging flight attendant, and now he's finally flight attendant internationally.
Wow.
Yeah. That's inspiring. I have also heard many people na men should be in beauty or fashion, but some of the best designer and makeup artists are men, di ba?
True. So, it's all about passion and skills, not just gender, di ba? Kasi, we need to normalize seeing men in career roles and women in leadership positions, di ba?
Yeah, that's ang gaganda ng mindset ninyo. It's just sobrang nakakalatina. And it's so crazy how people still cling to these stereotypes. Parang yung mga people na sabihin natin na kino-close nila yung mindset nila or yung perception nila is sana sila na lang, no? Sila na lang. But there are, parang nag-discourage nila yung ibang person na gustong gawin ito, gustong gawin niya. Parang sila yung nagiging barrier. No, you should do that. Ito lang gawin mo kasi ganito yung gender mo. So, yung mga taong naniwala sa stereotype, sila mismo yung parang nakakasira or nakaka-discourage yung mga taong gusto i-pursue yung gusto talaga nila sa buhay nila. So, yeah. But as you all mentioned kanina, those who break the mold often succeed. Diba? Katulad sa pinsan ni Crystal. So, what advice would you give to someone struggling with gender bias in their career choice? Okay, it's ito, question to para sa mga audiences natin. Okay? Ano kaya yung magiging advice ninyo to someone struggling with gender bias in their career choice? So, we would love to read all of your comments regarding this question.
Some of us reaching for the sky, we're unstoppable. No need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's day.
Our next segment, so this is called the Rapid Fire Q&A. So I'm going to give you one question and you're going to answer it in 1 to 2 sentences. And yun. So here is the question. Ito pa pala, I'm going to answer to, pero siguro sa last na lang ako. Okay? So, I want to, what is the one stereotype you want to break? So, let's think about it. Ano yung stereotype yung parang gusto natin i-break?
For me, I want to challenge yung kaisipan na yung nursing is para lang sa mga babae. Kasi caring to other is not about gender.
So for me din, I want to prove na ang engineering ay hindi lang para sa lalaki. I believe na meron din capabilities ang mga babae na mag-design para sa future nila.
So, for me naman, I want to break the notion na makeups and fashion is only for women. Kasi nowadays, marami naman na magagaling na artist and designer na lalaki ang gender.
So, para po sa akin is, I want to break that belief po na ang mga lalaki daw po is hindi pwede magturo or maging teacher. So, for me po is, teaching po is for everyone.
So, for me naman is, I want to challenge the idea that women aren't strong enough for physically demanding jobs like strength. Hindi lang siya for physically, for mentally too, na meron din ang mga kababaihan.
And ako naman, gusto ko i-break yung stereotype na yung mga lalaki is hindi kaya maging single dad or single parents. Kasi parenting is about love, not gender.
So, me personally, I want to shatter the myth or mga paniniwala ng mga tao na technology daw and coding po is para lang sa mga lalaki. But for me, personally, opinion ko is that it shouldn't be like that. Kasi lahat naman ng gender is dumadaan sa pagbabago or innovation. So, lahat dapat is concluded sa pagbabago na yan. Na lahat ng kasarian is pwedeng gumamit ng technology and coding.
So ako naman, I want to change the perception that construction work is for only men. I have seen women build incredible things, diba? Kasi kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng babae, diba?
Yeah. So for me, I want to prove that leadership doesn't only belong to men. Because women are also powerful decision makers too, diba?
Yeah. So I'm all agree, and here is yung parang gusto ko din i-break na stereotype na men shouldn't show or express his emotion in leadership, or once you are a leader, male leader, hindi mo dapat ipinapakita yung emotion mo. But being a great leader is dapat compassionate ka and understanding. So, para maging great leader ka, of course, you're not just going to use your intellectual skill, but also your emotion para makakonect ka with your members and with also the yung situation itself, mas maiintindihan mo siya. So that's it. So I hope this stereotype is ma-break talaga siya, and yung mga puro-puro, yung closed mindset na inisip ng society is ma-break talaga siya para hindi mahadlangan yung mga tao na gustong i-pursue yung mga gusto talaga nila. So we will covered a lot today, but before we wrap up, let's go around and share one final thought on gender and career choices. So each member is going to give a one-liner takeaway. So ito parang takeaway nyo sa buong discussion natin, ano yung nagustuhan niyo, and ano yung gusto kong i-share niyo. Okay, let's
Your job should be based on what you love, not what the society expects.
Breaking stereotypes starts with us.
The future is diverse. Let's keep it that way.
Opportunities should be open to everyone, no matter their gender.
Skills and passion define a career, not gender.
Don't let labels limit you.
Diversity in our work makes a better place. The best person for a job is the one who is willing to do it.
It's time we normalize equality in every profession.
So that is a wonderful insight, and thank you so much sa napakaganda ninyong takeaways, and I hope the viewers is meron din kayo na takeaways, so you can comment your takeaways there. And as we wrap up this conversation, one thing is clear, career are not about gender, right?
Yes.
Not about gender, but it's all about passion, skills, and determination. The world is evolving, and syempre kasama ng mindset natin dapat nag-evolve din siya, mas naging open to all possibilities. And then, whether you're a man in nursing or a woman in engineering, what really matters is the impact you create and the purpose you fulfill. So, thank you so much for joining our discussion. Thank you so much. I have a great time having with you. So, I think that's it. We can say goodbye to more audiences. Bye! What I like in this episode of Podcast 3 Serye is yung mga kasama ko dito na open-minded and willing talaga sila mag-share about their insights patungkol sa gender roles, careers, and stereotyping. And they're just thoughtful talaga na madami silang na-share. And I'm truly amazed na they are also aware of societal issue and kung ano talaga yung nangyayari. Na nagkakaroon talaga these days ng gender bias and gender discrimination. Lalo na pagdating sa mga work and mga passion na or industry na kailangan pasukin talaga. And for this episode, I hope talaga na marami kayong natutunan. Kasi ako, personally, I have a lot of lesson na naging sa kanila. And also, for my next episode, I want to keep on the conversation, stay open, stay curious sa mga nangyayari, and stay involved dito sa society natin. Because we are the future. We can change these stereotypes. We can accept everyone no matter their gender. Kasi there are no limits with your gender, because as long as you love what you do, you can do it. So hindi hadlang yung gender. So see you guys for our next episode. Again, this is John Alden Henry Patacudo, your host for today. Goodbye!